Let's take a look at 3 road raging macho men that had embarrassing moments of road rage, with a bonus instant karma clip at the end. In this first video, the pickup truck driver was on his phone, so the dashcam driver honked and drove around, and that really angered that guy in the truck. So watch what he does. He gets out for a road rage confrontation, but he realized that that wasn't a very good idea. The driver of the dashcam car was a lot bigger than the road rager, so the dashcam driver kindly helped the road rager back into his vehicle, and then he has a bit of a screaming match. The road rager was so pathetic and even threatened to call the cops. What a moron. If you thought the first one was bad, check out this one though. The Honda Civic driver was tailgating, getting really impatient, and then decided to cut over the double yellow lines and brake check. What a douche nozzle. Brake checking like that, and then he stops his vehicle and gets out for a confrontation. The dashcam driver wants no involvement and just drives away. Really a smart thing to do. I definitely commend the dashcam driver for doing this. Just flee the scene of the road rage. Now here's the karma clip. The guy up ahead was road raging and brake checking. Watch until the end because the road rage does not end well at all. The road rager brake checks multiple times. Almost gets his car hit there. And then he comes to a complete stop in the middle of the highway, and this is very stupid as you're about to find out. Road rager gets out, but then look what happens. What a dumb idiot stopping in the middle of the highway. Thankfully, he saved his own life by getting back into his car at the last second. And thankfully everybody seemed to be fine. But the road rager was found at fault for sure.